This is beautiful, you have to see it. So today we're going to head to the ancient city of Bangkok. We just bought our tickets online, which are about £8 something each. And we're going to get a grab there, which is, I think it's like 300 baht or something similar. So I'm not sure what that is, but I'll put it on the screen. Jesus, that is fancy.
What did you order?
Definitely not a fancy one. Headed elephant. Wow. Gap. Right, we need to find where the ticket. Maybe this one. Okay. What about bikes? Are there bikes? On the right as well. We arrived at the ancient city now. We've hired a couple of bikes. They are 150 baht each for the entire day, which is great. They do try and upsell you to like a golf car or electric bike. We might regret the bikes in a couple of hours when we're hot and sweaty, but for now, this feels okay. You want to show off what you just bought?
Oh yes, bought a dingly dangler, that's what I call them, for my new bag. Very spacious, highly recommend. Bought it yesterday from Uniqlo and added Thai elephant attachment dingly dangler onto the zip. Little hack there. Get a dingly dangler if you buy this bag, because then it's easy to find the zip. And it looks super cute.
I can't really read any of that, can you? That's all in Thai. Yeah, right there. Okay, I promise I'm not sweaty because of the bikes. I'm sweaty because it's just warm. We have to go in there. We have to take our shoes off. You can find information around the place about what you see here, but unfortunately the translate apps don't do particularly well. It's like it's translated from Thai into how I would say Thai rather than into English. Oh. So that's not worked too well.
Oh wow.
One thing we really love about this place is all like the intricate details down to some of the carvings that you see here. Like this is so detailed. It must have taken, I can't even imagine how long something like this would have taken. And then we have this area here, which looks a bit like, I have a feeling like these pads or these cuttings of wood, blocks, look like places where monks would potentially sit during the worship, because it does say on that sign there, priority seat Buddhist monk. So the ancient city is very big. One of the staff members at the beginning told us it's about 15 kilometers total. I think maybe in length, but it could just be in riding or driving, I'm not too sure. But either way, that's a lot. So there's a lot to explore. Ooh, no feet. Ooh, I can do, yeah, 1 foot. Well, I'm already doing one hand.
To be fair, 1 foot, 1 hand is pretty hard.
Have you seen this? They've got all of their thumbs on the Buddhas are tied together. So that one and that one. If anyone knows why. We later found out this is known as the saisin, a sacred white cotton thread used in the Buddhist rituals in Thailand to provide protection, blessings and good health to the wearer. Often tied by monks during ceremonies, this thread is believed to carry positive and sacred energy. The ritual symbolises purity, good fortune and connection, and the thread should be worn until it naturally falls off to preserve the blessing. It is a warm day, and I don't know if you can tell, but I am pretty covered in sweat.
Turn around, it's on the back. There.
But when we cycle, it's quite nice because it, yeah, nice and breezy, cools you down. So,
One person.
this hut here, and maybe a few of the others, I imagine, are places for monks. I don't know if they would live there, or if it's just somewhere they come for prayer, or to rest for the day, or who knows. But yeah, that one back there is a monk's cubicle. It is. We're at the temple, no, the Pavilion of the Enlightened, and unfortunately part of it's closed. It looks like due to water damage from heavy rain. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at this, all these beautiful, this is so well put together. Just got to a ghost museum now, and look at the entrance. It is very cool.
It makes you think of, you know, Aladdin.
Aladdin, yes!
You know, the big cat in the Tomb of Wonders or whatever it's called.
Let's head on in.
Oh, I don't like it.
That's
I don't like this.
freaky.
There's like that piece of yellow page.
We've decided that we're done here for the day, so we're taking a nice gentle cycle back. Would we recommend getting the bicycles over the electric bikes? Well, yeah, definitely.
If there's just two of you, yeah.
Yeah, definitely if there's just two of you. Do you know what? I think even if there's more than just two of you, I think it's worthwhile because it's not particularly difficult to ride these around. I'm just sweaty anyway because I'm not used to the heat and the humidity. The electric bikes, I'm not too sure if they're worth it. They're 250 baht for the first hour and then 100 baht for every hour after that. And the golf buggy is like 300 baht per hour or something. But we found it quite nice to cycle because it slows you down and you don't feel as rushed to get around and see everything. We also recommend trying to get here as early as you can because it's just after midday now and it has become very busy. When we got here about 9:45, it wasn't as busy. Have a look at this. Lots of tour groups around. Yeah, we recommend getting it early, probably when it opens. Opens at 9, closes at I think 6 o'clock, maybe 8 o'clock. I'll put the times on screen.
Just a couple of things I'd like to add is when you're cycling around, it just smells amazing because all the flowers are just so fragrant. So it's like a full sensory
You have to speak up,
experience.
my love.
On a negative note, there is elephant riding as an option here, which we aren't a fan of. And one tip, if you are vegan, then a really easy way to say that to a restaurant is just say Jai, which is like a vegan Buddhist diet.
But that's it from us for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.